Go, recording.
Shawarma. These Dutch people are kind of, it costs €1 to talk to them. The cars, fast. The bikes are fast. What I'm really talking about is €7 of shawarma for the 3. And to find the party. The party. We need the party. Because the shawarma. Yeah. Because what I'm fucking talking about, looks purple. Might be red light. Look, they drunk too. I fucking love them all.
You are the cocksucker.
Mike Jones will tell you all about
Mike
that
Jones.
Street
shit. Album coming soon.
Straat die daar doen.
Look at you, you fat bitch.
Oh man, they never klagen hoor.
They never clap.
Hey Dave, what is that? What do you call that language?
Seek.
No, what do you call it?
Oh, it's Snamit. That's the Snamit. We can laugh at the Snamit because we ain't having to speak it. Has something to